Today doing the OEM Audio Plus with the subwoofer for a TRD Pro with GBL.
Shout out to Uncle Derek. Hey, he always brings us the good stuff. The Monopole for cash. Hey, if you're a customer and you bring food,
It's all over.
you're the best.
What'd you say?
Hey, I'm just thankful for the people that take their time and give us food. We're pretty hungry in the morning. Unlike this guy.
Hey.
What you doing? Why?
Why? What the hell? You go why?
Joey, what are you doing, bro?
What?
Can I just like
Bro,
rest
yeah.
peacefully?
You're the main guy, bro. I gotta get you some airtime on there.
I don't need.
Hey,
I just need my break time. Watch out, bro.
What's up, man?
Boss.
We're building the Switch Pro tray for the I think it's a 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock appointment. Cherry. You don't look at it, it's ugly right now. It's ugly. It's ugly.
Oh, yeah.
It's ugly. It's ugly. Oh wait, let me throw my face above it. There you go. Push it, please. Push it. So this right here is our homemade Switch Pro tray. It's gonna hold your terminal block and bus bar.
yeah,
Deleted.
she's not here.
It's there.
Here, you go over there then.
I need you to go face the camera this way.
How's it, guys? This is Eldron reporting live from MJ Motorsports. Shout out to the boys, the mechanics. You're working hard, long hours. It's not like I
hate them. You always say that you hate them
He hates us until it's time to
until
work
you
on his
need
truck.
them for something.
So they work.
He needs a ride if you kind of want tonight.
So they work 10 hours, 10 hours a day. It's not like I had a choice to.
Look. Oh, beep!
You got me down again.
told him, nah. Hey, he gotta go to Walmart, buy his tools already.
I mean, nobody.
What's up, my name is John. I'm the main guy. You need any parts, Toyota? Come see me. AJ Motorsports. We're doing all the essentials. Getting OEM Grille, TRD Pro, TRD intake, TRD exhaust, and then 1-inch lift on the front. Alright, so right now I'm adding the 1-inch lift while Nick and Bryce work on the TRD exhaust. That pretty much wraps it up for the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the trails.
Wow.